10 healthcare facts 90% of people don't know. 1. Does your dominant hand affect your temperature? Your dominant hand is slightly warmer. This was discovered in 19th century physiology studies. Blood flow might explain why. 2. Do viruses survive better in the cold? Viruses thrive in cold, dry conditions. Research surged after the 1918 pandemic. Winter helps them spread and survive. 3. Can caffeine make you a better liar? In the 17th century, diplomats used caffeine to stay sharp. It boosts focus and enhances speech delivery. Coffee was their secret tool. 4. Why do ideas spark in the shower? Shower sounds relax your brain and spark creativity. This was explored in the 1980s. White noise helps your mind wander productively. 5. Is earwax type inherited? The ABCC11 gene determines earwax type. Many Asians have dry earwax due to this gene. Studies in the 20th century confirmed this link. 6. Does late night eating dull your taste? Late meals can dull taste buds. Romans avoided heavy dinners, valuing breakfast instead. Modern research supports their beliefs. 7. Can breathing through your nose boost memory? Ancient yoga emphasized nasal breathing for balance. Science shows it improves memory and focus. Controlled breathing benefits your mind. 8. Does sleep help clean your brain? During sleep, your brain clears waste via the glymphatic system. Discovered in 2012, it's key to brain health. The Greeks knew sleep cleansed the mind. 9. Can holding hands reduce pain? Holding hands reduces pain by creating connection. 19th century psychologists noted this effect. Modern brain scans confirm it. 10. What does the white moon on your nails reveal? The lunula, the white crescent on your nails, shows health. Ancient Greeks and Egyptians used it for diagnosis. Changes might signal anemia or stress. Have you ever heard an interesting trivia fact you'd like to share? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.